Hi everyone, today our lesson is about how to add content from other courses in Accelerate Education to a course that you're using. And I'm going to use this Language Arts 4B course that I'm working in as a training teacher. And I'm just going to assume that I've looked at all of these modules and there is a super duper wonderful module in a different course that I think would fit better here or that addresses some concerns that I have. So I'm going to go pull some content from a fifth grade course. All right, so this is a little bit different than when we edit. We're not going to use the editor. When we want to pull in things from a different course, we're going to go up to the top and we're going to use the clipboard. So I'm going to click go to clipboard and then I get this screen and I can do a lot of things here. I can add an activity similar to what we did when we were using the editor, but I now have this search library tool, and if I click there, I can search the district licenses, which is this little suitcase icon. I'm going to go there, and what you'll see now is all the different courses that Jones County Schools has purchased in Accelerate Education. So you'll see lots and lots and lots of courses here that you don't see when you log in to your own courses. But like I said, I'm going to go to this fifth grade language arts course. I'm going to use the 5B training copy because that's the one that I use. And I'm just going to assume that module 7 had some really great stuff in it here. Now, I can just put anything I want, add it to the cart, almost like we're going shopping. I'm just going to put these things in there, and then I have some items in my cart. And so just like if I was going to go check out in my Amazon account, I'm going to look at what those are. I'm going to copy them. And now you'll see that they show up here back in my clipboard. I'm going to tell it where I want these to go. So I have to tell it that I want to go back into my Language Arts 4B course. And now I get the next button. So I've chosen my destination. I want to now put this in which folder. I'm going to put these in my module 5 because I think they correlate well with that module 5. And click next. And then I have to tell it for this quiz that I pulled in, number 1, I can decide that this is not gradable, but I'm going to leave it gradable. I have to tell it how much of it I want it to count. Is this extra credit or do I want to hide it? I'm going to leave all the defaults like they were and click next. And now I can grade I can set up this next one. See, this one was about the spelling homophones quiz. This one is the using information quiz. So I have to answer these questions for each of the gradable assignments that I'm pulling in. And now I can assign the activity. All right. So I can assign this to all my students, or I can assign it to groups of students. All of my students are named the same, but I'm going to assign it to everybody by doing that, taking that route. So now if I go back to my course, I'm going to go back to Language Arts, 4B, Training Copy, and remember I put all of that in Module 5. So here's the spelling homophones quiz, the using information quiz. It's all of those items that I added are now showing up in Module 5.